Voice and Acrotex, the paint that lasts a lifetime. Almost.
Sana'y masabi sa awit kong ito lahat ng ninanais.
This is a message from the National Entity Council. Listen carefully. This is a message from the National Entity Council. Listen carefully. This is a message from the National Entity Council. Listen carefully.
Hello, we are the National Entity Council. We look out for any anomalies that are in any area. Our purpose is to protect you from any harm and danger.
There have been several sightings of an unknown creature, which we call the all-seeing creeper. Beware that it likes scratching on doors. Keep all doors and windows locked. Don't turn off the lights and don't sleep. Keep the television turned on for further updates.